Another
Right.
example would be environmental studies or science. So there are a lot of students now who are really interested in the environment, which makes a ton of sense. There's a few different ways to study the environment. There's environmental studies, which on average is more qualitative, and then there's environmental science, which is based in the hard sciences. But some environmental studies courses are more STEMmy and technical. And so it's important when you're taught, when you make that decision, I want to study environmental studies, that are you going to have to take chemistry, physics, and bio at a high level to finish this major? Or is it more about policy and economics? So it's, those are a couple of examples how even though you might have an idea of what you want to study, a school that you're really interested in might not have a good fit program for you. And that doesn't mean you have to just abandon that school, but you have to modify your expectations and certainly modify
Or
the
you have
way.
to write your essay differently. You have to write your essay differently to reflect what is being offered at the school.
Yeah,
So another example is psychology. Psychology has a lot of different ways it can be done. In some places it's called brain science. I don't mean it like in quotes. It's called brain science. And it's really more a neurological side because there's been a lot of the science side behind psychology. Other places it's more behavioral or more social psychology. So again, knowing if they have all of that breadth of psychology or certain areas, you want to tailor your essay to focus on what your interests are and then make that connection. And that's really what it's about. So while I think it's great to know the differences between it, but for this exercise, it's important because you want to make sure that they know that you really understand the school and what the available offerings are and how you as a student are going to take advantage of them.